All right, so this is Marcos from CV Pools, and we've got a union here that's still in good shape. Thing is, we got a 90 in it, a street 90. See that? Got a little, it's got a little bit of a differential there, but this lifts up. So the thing is that I can't get this union. So what I can, but it's hard to find. But to save the union, what I do is I go in here and I cut 4 spaces without damaging the actual union itself. You just kind of, and then what ends up happening is I'll get like a flathead screwdriver. You know what those are, right? And my trusty mallet. And what I do, if you look here, I'm gonna tap that way towards the inside, and with my mallet, of course. And I think maybe this one is looser, so just to show you what happens. A lot of times it'll come out in one piece. See, I already tapped this one out. I'm just trying to give you the example. So these will all come out, and then you have your union again. You sand the inside, re-glue the street 90, and then you're ready to go. I'll probably cut back here, put another coupling, and then bridge it to there. But that's how I save these. It doesn't always work. If I don't have this union, I'd probably have to replace the whole pump. So trying to do the customer a favor, and it looks like it's going to work this time. Anyway, I hope this helps. Take it easy. Marcos, CV Pools.